In the ever-changing global dynamics, one nation stands firm with a clear vision: Turkey. As we mark the centennial of the foundation of the Republic of Turkey, we delve into the nation's vision for the century ahead. A vision not merely rooted in ideology or intent, but one that is pragmatic, interest-oriented, and steeped in a deep understanding of the new and contemporary global dynamics. Turkey's century vision is not a mere declaration but a robust action plan. It is a blueprint for the nation's future, drawn with the precision of a master architect and executed with the determination of a seasoned strategist. At its core, this vision is about protecting national interests within the framework of multilateralism. It is about building solid diplomatic relations and forging stronger partnerships with neighboring countries, thus establishing a reference axis that safeguards Turkey's interests. But what makes Turkey's century vision unique? It's the nation's to adapt and innovate. Turkey's vision is not static. It evolves with the changing times, responding to new challenges and opportunities with agility and foresight. It is a vision that is both proactive and reactive, anticipating changes in global dynamics and responding to them swiftly and effectively. In the face of challenges, Turkey does not shy away. Instead, it confronts them head-on, transforming obstacles into opportunities. It is this resilience, this ability to turn adversity into advantage, that sets Turkey apart in the global arena. As Turkey navigates the complexities of the global system, it stands firmly on the foundations of its century-old republic. A republic that has weathered storms, faced challenges, and emerged stronger with each passing decade. This is Turkey's century vision, a vision that is pragmatic, interest-oriented, and above all, grounded in a profound awareness of the contemporary global dynamics. And now, before we end this scene, don't forget to check out our Intel Prime channel and hit the subscribe button for more insightful content. The current global system is rife with challenges, from conventional and hybrid threats to technological innovations and environmental issues. The world we navigate today is a veritable storm of conflicts and wars, health crises like the COVID-19 pandemic, environmental disturbances, and rapid technological advancements. These challenges leave indelible marks on human lives, causing displacement, migration, and food shortages, while also leading to serious disruptions in technological, logistical, and economic terms. The landscape of the global system is not only scarred by these issues, but also by the systemic fragility they expose. Major international actors and organizations, conceived in the aftermath of World War II, seemingly struggle to provide solutions to these new challenges. They reflect a distribution of power that no longer exists, and their responses are often perceived as inadequate or insufficient. This is a glaring testament to the great systemic fragility we face today. Yet in this complex matrix of challenges, new actors are emerging, wielding their influence to fill the vacuum left by the great powers. One such actor is Turkey, carving out a role for itself as a system-building actor. Turkey aims to turn these challenges into opportunities, following a win-win principle that seeks to foster stability and prosperity for all. Its efforts are seen both domestically and regionally, demonstrating a commitment to an organized and methodical approach to problem-solving. In a world of challenges, Turkey stands as a beacon of hope, turning adversities into opportunities for stability and prosperity. In the midst of global dynamics, Turkey emerges as a system-building actor. This role is not one that has been thrust upon it, but one that Turkey has consciously and strategically embraced. The term system refers to a set of things working together as parts of a mechanism or an interconnecting network, or a set of principles according to which something is done, producing an organized scheme or method. In both senses, Turkey is making its mark. Turkey is actively shaping its policies and practices both domestically and regionally to emerge as a significant player on the global stage. This isn't just about gaining influence or power, but about making a tangible difference. Turkey's approach is rooted in pragmatism. It aims to translate challenges into opportunities, in a manner that benefits everyone involved. So how does Turkey do this? Through a principle it firmly believes in: the win-win principle. This principle is not just a buzzword, but a guiding philosophy for Turkey. It is about creating scenarios where all parties involved can benefit. It is about turning potential confrontations into collaborative efforts. It is about transforming seemingly zero-sum games into situations where everyone comes out ahead. This approach is not just about diplomacy or international relations, it also translates into concrete policies and initiatives. Whether it's dealing with regional conflicts, addressing environmental concerns, or navigating the complex terrain of artificial intelligence and data ethics. Turkey is actively working to ensure that the solutions it proposes and implements are not just beneficial for itself, but for the wider global community. This isn't an easy task, of course. It requires a delicate balancing act of protecting national interests while also considering the interests of others. It requires an understanding of the intricate web of global dynamics and the ability to navigate it effectively. But Turkey, with its strategic policies and pragmatic approach, is proving that it's up to the task. Through pragmatic approaches and strategic policies, Turkey is steadily carving its place in the global arena, turning challenges into opportunities for all. Through its actions and initiatives, Turkey showcases its commitment to overcoming global challenges. It does so by raising awareness, sharing best practices, and providing concrete responses to the ever-evolving complexities of the international system. Turkey's leadership is not just theoretical, it is practical, visible, and impactful. Take, for instance, Turkey's role in regional conflicts. It has emerged as a key negotiator, dedicating its diplomatic prowess to mediate and resolve disputes. A prime example of this is the Russia-Ukraine conflict, where Turkey has been instrumental in facilitating dialogue and negotiations. Turkey's commitment extends beyond conflict resolution, addressing other global challenges such as health, environmental issues, energy security, and the ethical use of technology. It is a nation that understands the gravity of these issues and is actively working towards solutions that benefit not just its own people but the global community. In essence, Turkey is not just a spectator in the global arena, it is a proactive player, a problem solver, a beacon of hope.